Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to the first video lesson. Through this video lesson, I want to revise Unit 6 and Unit 7 that we have already completed in the second semester. So, the first lesson in Unit 6 is about exploration or expedition. What is the meaning of exploration or expedition? These are the two words you can come across in the first lesson, expedition and exploration. What are the meanings? So expedition means it's a journey or a travel with a purpose. Exploration means it is exploring an unfamiliar area. So in the historical times, in the past times, you can see that many explorers, a person who did the exploration, many explorers, they set out their journey to find out something. So in the first lesson, you can read many explorers, expeditions, Leif Erikson, Vasco da Gama, Richard Burton, and Valentina Tereshkova. And in this lesson, you will get an idea about exploration or expedition and why explorations have been made in the historical times, in the past times. And you can see the different times also, 1001, 1497, 1857, and 1963. And how did they made the exploration? They travel by air, they travel by land, and they travel by oceans also. So these are the different routes they choose for their explorations. And why did they set out their journey? In the historical times, they started their journey with a purpose. That is what we call exploration or expeditions. And in the first lesson, you can see the one word, to travel by driving a boat, sail. So this one we have finished already. You can go through the meanings of these clues have given. You can read the one word for these given clues. So go through this again and read the text again and identify who were the explorers, why did they set out their journey, how did they travel. So you can find in this text. In the activity book, the first lesson of the activity book, you can read about some women explorers. Then we can move on to the second lesson. It's about exploration exploits, and you can see the route map here and how did they travel. So you can go through the notes again. And in the second lesson in the activity book, you can read about a Moroccan explorer, Ibn Battuta, and how did he set out his journey, why did he set out his journey. You can read all the informations. The next thing we want to focus is question words plus nouns, question forms plus nouns. You know that which are the question words in English. So these are the commonly used question words in English: what, when, where, why, whom, who, whose, how many, how much, which. So you know that where we can use all these question words. So here we are focusing on question word plus nouns. How we can use question word plus noun. I will show you an example. See the first example. How many ships did Columbus have? See here, I start with the question word how many, and this question word follows a noun. What is the noun here? Ships. So how many ships? See the second example. What food did he take? Here I start with the sentence, a question word what, and it follows by a noun food. Here I made Q for question and for noun. So food is the noun here. So in these examples you can see that a question word follows a noun. I will show you another example. Which island did he find? Here which is the question word and island is the noun. So you can frame sentences with these question words follows by a noun. So this is all about today's lesson. I will attach a worksheet regarding the question words. You can do the answers and no need to send in the group. Send to me personally. Thank you.